In this video, we will learn how to start up the printer for the first time and install a wired network. Remove the machine from the box and place it on a flat surface. Remove all packing tape. Press this button to open the front cover and pull this piece of tape and remove the yellow instruction sheet. Unlock the container by pushing this blue button. Remove the container by pulling it downwards and pull it out of the printer. Shake the toner back and forth 5 or 6 times. Return the cartridge to the machine and rotate it so these two arrows are facing each other. You should hear an audible click when the cartridge is secure. Close the cover. Plug the power cord into the back of the printer. Locate and remove the white stopper from the rear of the machine in order to connect the network cable. Install the network cable into the back of the machine as shown. Insert the other end of the network cable into the network port on the switch. Power on the printer by pressing the power button located on the lower right front of the machine. Now allow the machine to run its startup sequence. This may take up to 10 minutes, so please be patient. During the warm-up sequence, the machine will now perform the setup wizard. The first step is to choose a language. The default language is English. Select Next. You will see the message Managed by Administrator, Yes, Medium or Large Office, or No, Home or Small Office. Answering this question as Yes for Medium or Large Office requires you to enter an ID and password when setting certain printer functions. The No, Home or Small Office selection does not require an ID password. If you're in a home office or the only user of this printer, it is recommended to use the Home option. Press No, Home or Small Office option. Next will be the message Welcome on the machine setup page. You will see 1. Date time that allows us to set the time zone, date, and time. You will also see 2. Network, which allows us to set the network. Make sure that 1. Date and time is highlighted and press Next. Our first setting is time zone. Scroll to the time zone the printer is located. In our example, we will select Central Time Zone. Now we will select whether the state the printer is located in uses daylight saving time. If it does, be sure to select On for summertime. We will now enter the year, month, and day if needed. These settings can be changed by highlighting the box and using the plus/minus keys to change the numbers. Once this is complete, press Next. You may now set the hour, minute, and seconds if needed. The settings can be changed by highlighting each box and use the plus/minus keys to make changes. Once satisfied, press Next. We will now set our network. Press Next. In our example, we are selecting a wired network. The screen is asking to choose which method of wired network you want to obtain the IP address. We will choose Auto DHCP. Press Next. This screen confirms the Auto DHCP address for your printer has been assigned. You may find it useful to write this information down in case it is needed at a later time. Press Next. The machine presents another choice. Since we have already set up the wired network, you can always set up a wireless network or USB connection by using the Quick Setup Wizard. For now, press Finish. If the printer is to be connected to your network using a wireless, view the M2640 wireless setup video. To learn how to connect the printer to a computer with a USB cable, please watch the M2640 USB cable setup video. You can also find these procedures in the M2640idw operation guide.